They lived in luxury, surrounded by gardens, rivers, and abundant crops. But when they turned their backs on gratitude, their paradise became a disaster. This is the true story of Qaom Saba. From the Qur'an. Qaom Saba lived in Bat'au, southern Arabia, in what is now Yemen. They were known for their great civilization and wealth. At the heart of their kingdom stood a marvel of engineering, the Shep Marib Dam, which watered their fields and orchards. Allah had blessed them with 2 beautiful gardens. Perfect climate, sweet fruits, flowing water, they were a model of prosperity and balance. Quranic verse, Surah Saba 34:15. Indeed, there was for Saba a sign in their homeland, 2 gardens on the right and the left. Eat from the provision of your Lord and be grateful. But instead of showing gratitude, they became arrogant, greedy, and turned away from Allah's guidance. They wanted more, demanded beyond their needs, and ignored warnings. Then came the punishment. The mighty Marib Dam collapsed, and a great flood, known as Sayl al Arim, swept through the land, destroying their gardens and turning their paradise into ruin. Quranic verse, Surah Saba 34:16. But they turned away, so we sent upon them the flood of the dam and replaced their 2 gardens with bitter fruit, tamarisks, and sparse thorn trees. Their once fertile land turned barren, families scattered, cities collapsed. Saba's glorious kingdom became a story of the past. This is not just history, it's a powerful warning. When a nation becomes ungrateful for its blessings can be taken away. Let the story of Qaom Saba remind us, gratitude protects, arrogance destroys. Stay thankful, stay obedient, and Allah will increase your blessings. Quranic reminder, Surah Ibrahim 14:7. If you are grateful, I will surely increase you, but if you deny, indeed, my punishment is severe.